Hi, this is Caroline with xoxo, and I'm so excited for this studio chat today because I'm going to show you a sneak peek of how I make my easy Quilt As You Go strip quilt. This tutorial is going to be coming very soon, and since it involves some wavy walking foot quilting, which I absolutely love, and I know you like to see it in action, I'm going to show you right now a little sneak peek of how I get started making this easy strip quilt, and then how I continue to add the strips, which eventually will build out and will become a nice throw size strip quilt. And then I'll use the same technique to add the borders, and then it will be done. So the tutorial will be coming very soon, but meanwhile, here's a little sneak peek of how I do it. This has just been a little sneak peek of my Quilt As You Go strip quilt method, which I'm going to be posting on my blog in just a few days. If I've already posted it, there will be a link below to show you where to find the tutorial. If not, please sign up for my email newsletter so that you'll be the first to find out. And of course, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my sewing tips or tutorials. Have a great day!